Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna see what we can find on the internet about Spanish and we will talk about that. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. So for this, I'm going to use Pinterest. Pinterest, you know, I kind of love that website. So what I did is I typed in Spanish vocabulary and let's see what we can find. Okay, I saw something here. It says antonyms. Antonyms. Do you know what this means? Antonyms. Antonyms are words that are the opposite of some other word. For example, good or bad, fast or slow. So today, I think we should talk about this. Let's see if we can find the source of this image. Eleconole. Okay, so we see here, it is from Berceo, and we have another name here. Okay, so let's see what we can learn. I'm gonna leave the link to this image in the video description down below. Okay, so let's see. Let's see some antonyms or antonyms. The first one is bueno. Bueno and malo. The opposite of bueno is malo. Okay, yes, that's correct. Bueno means good, malo means bad. That's correct. The next one says dulce. Dulce. The opposite of dulce is salado. Salado. Salado sounds kind of like salad, right? Yep, so do you know what dulce means? Dulce means sweet. Sweet and salty or savory. Now the next one, abrir. Abrir. The opposite of abrir is cerrar. Abrir, cerrar. Abrir means to open and cerrar means to close. So these two are Spanish verbs. Now the next one, encender. Encender. Encender means to turn on, like, you know, turn on the TV, or to light, like light the fire or something like that. Apagar is the opposite and it means to turn off, to shut down. So that's correct. It makes sense. Now the next one is claro. Claro and oscuro. Do you know this one? Claro means bright or clear. Oscuro is the opposite. Oscuro means dark. So it's the opposite of claro. The next one is subir, and the opposite word is bajar. Subir, going up, bajar, going down. These two are also Spanish verbs. The next one is ir and venir. Ir means to go. You're going somewhere. Venir is to come from someplace. Yeah, so ir, to go, venir, to come. Okay, the next one is arriba and abajo. This one is pretty easy. Arriba, up, abajo, down. That's it. Antes, antes, here, antes and después. Antes means before, después means after. This reminds me of the popular pictures that you see online or on magazines where it says before and after when something or someone changes, right? That's pretty easy. Now the next one is frío and calor. Frío. Frío means cold. Calor, warm or hot. Frío, cold. Calor, hot, warm. We're talking about temperature here. Okay, now the next one is alto, alto and bajo. Alto is high, bajo is short or low. Alto, high, bajo, short or low. Now the next one is tranquilo, tranquilo. And the opposite word is nervioso, nervioso. Tranquilo is calm, relaxed. And nervioso is the opposite. Nervioso is nervous. So yeah, it makes sense. Pequeño, the next one here, pequeño, pequeño and grande. Pequeño is small and grande is big. Grande, big. And lastly, mucho and poco. Mucho means a lot, much, and poco means few, not much, little. We're talking here about portions or something that looks like is mucho, a lot, or poco, few, not too many, little, a little bit. So yes, this image is very helpful. And yeah, we learned a few words, the pronunciation of them. And yeah, I kind of like this image. It's really good. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. I would like to do something like this in the future, but maybe a live stream. That would be great. So that way you can ask me questions. We can interact more. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to go to smelessons.com where I talk about Spanish. Everything we learn on this channel, I have it there on that website, and I have a more detailed explanation of the different things we talk about on this channel. Also, there are free downloads. If you go on some articles, you can see the lesson that I have on the YouTube channel and read about different things, see more examples, see also funny GIFs or GIFs. So yeah, you can donate as well from here, and you can download. Each article has usually a card that you can download for free only for 7 days. And you can print it out at home. You can collect them all, and they will help you remember all the words that we learn on this channel. After 7 days, each card is available on the shop. Right now I have to upload more, but from here you can purchase the cards. They're only $2. That way you can support this channel. It's just a downloadable product, so you can once again print the cards at home. If you want to donate to this channel, you can click on donate and donate as much as you want. It could be as little as $1. I really appreciate that. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!